Hello, today I'm going to talk about how body works in three important processes. First, we're going to talk about the journey of food through the digestive system, also known as the digestive tract. So, to explain how the digestive tract works, we're going to use this example with using a piece of pizza. So, when we eat, food enters through the mouth, where it's chewed and it's mixed with the saliva. It then passes through the esophagus until it reaches the stomach, like this. Then, in the stomach, gastric juices break down the food and it continues to the small intestine, which is where nutrients are absorbed into the blood. Next, it passes through the large intestine, when water is absorbed and feces are formed, until it's finally eliminated through the anus. It goes down like this, and finally it's eliminated through the anus. In this way, thanks to the digestive system, our body obtains the energy and nutrients we need to live. So now let's move on to the second process, that is how the kidneys filter the blood. So with this example, we're going to imagine like the kidneys are filtered. So we have that first the blood containing waste enters the kidney. Then the kidney separates what is useful from what is not. So the nutrients and useful water return to the clean blood, to the filtered blood, and on the other end, the waste goes through the ureter to the bladder, where it's transformed into the urine to be eliminated, like this. Finally, let's talk about the skeleton and joints. So, basically, our body can move because bones, muscles, and joints work together. So, it works like a system of levers. So, for example, we have here in a joint of navel, that the bones act as hard bars, the muscles act as bands that pull, and the tendons act as the ones that connect the two parts. So here we can see that the straw represents the bones, also the rubber band represents the tendon and the muscle, and here we have the joint. So when the muscle contracts, it pulls on the bone and it moves. So if we pull like this, these parts will move. So like this, the skeleton supports us, and the muscles allow us to walk, to run, and perform any movement.